HCC Stafford's Learning Hub had quite the buzz as they held their spring semester career and job fair. The fair gives students the opportunity in between classes to visit and talk to companies and businesses about who they are and what are some opportunities they have available. Dr. Carolyn Davis tells us more about the job fair and what companies have come.
Today we have our Spring 2018 our Career and Employment Fair at Stafford campus. This is one of two events that we'll be hosting this semester. The first one here, of course, is Stafford, and the second one will be at West Loop in a couple of weeks. We have Reynolds & Reynolds that's looking for everything from networking, tech support, help desk. They're also looking for people in business who may be looking at embarking on a career in business and office administration, as well as customer service. Then we have Fort Bend Police Department. We have the U.S. Attorney General's office here that's looking for a host of people. We even have a company here looking for bilingual interpreters, and they're pretty much getting applications and hiring on the spot. So we have everything from people who are looking for just part-time jobs at Whataburger to full-time jobs and part-time jobs at major corporations. Even Houston Community College's HR department is here seeking to fill all sorts of positions. So we have county employers here, we have private owners, we have nationwide companies that are here, we have people that are looking for internships. So we have a variety of people here. We also have someone that's looking for someone in manufacturing. So we have a host of companies, and it's a general job fair, so you will have a variety of companies that are looking for diverse needs.
Being that this might be the first time at a job fair for some students, they might not understand the do's and don'ts. That's why Dr. Davis is here for the students.
Well, first of all, we would like for all of our students to connect with the Career Service Office because we host each semester a job fair preparation workshop. And part of that workshop is helping students to understand what they need to do to prepare for the job fair, but most importantly, how they should look, how they should present themselves, and even some of the questions they should ask as they approach employers. And then the other thing is, because a lot of times students look and they come to one table because they don't recognize a company's name, they think that they need to bypass it. But they need to understand that it is these companies that are hiring, and it is these companies that will nurture and also allow them to make some mistakes and train along the way. So those are the companies you want to get into now.
Of course, the main goal at a job fair is to get a job, yet there's more that the students can take away from a job fair.
Well, students need to take away several things. First and foremost, they need to be able to understand what is out there, what are the opportunities available to them. And secondly, they need to be able to understand and be able to network, because network is important. You need to know how to approach strangers. You need to know how to give that 30-second speech to say who you are and what you bring to the table. And you need to be able to ask, what are you looking for? What type people are you looking for? What is your company culture like? How can we as community college students transition into your company? These are questions that we help students to prepare to ask, and then of course to be able to understand why they need to know these sorts of things.
For HCC Beat, I'm John Davis.